cross over that line like all the time. Like, what if a biker was pulling up, or even a car? It's like they cross that line, like they just don't care. They don't take the turn wide enough. Oh god, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, did you see that bug? I have no idea if that's gonna even pick up on the camera, but that scared the crap out of me. Like a doink. Wow, Mom, it's a motorcycle. If he wants to race, because I know he's racing that other Dodge truck, or excuse me, Charger, whatever the freak it is. S-Class? Something like that. Frick, I don't know. I don't know unless it tells me what it is. A Mercedes is like my go-to car. It does say AMG, but they make Mercedes cars, like for example the C300, but then they put the AMG wheels on it. So this could just mean it is the AMG, or it could mean that it's just a premium package, the sportier package. But I'm sure it's an AMG, because looking at all this stuff. Gosh, how much does it cost? Oh yeah, SL Class, 26,000 miles, that's it? Oh, for 30 grand? Golly. I don't know. I'm looking at the C300 cost. I just think it's such a beautiful looking car. It's not bad. This is better. On the phone all the time? Don't you just love those mountains? It never gets old, man. I remember the first time I moved here from Houston for the freaking flatlands. I remember, man, I just could not take my eyes off those mountains. It was just, I just couldn't do it. It was just like, I couldn't get enough. Squidders everywhere, man. All over the place. They just don't care. Oh, I got two of them right there. Gosh, what a slow turd. Thank you for finally speeding up. There you go. He didn't signal, so I didn't know he was doing that. Oh my gosh, that's gotta be like 35 cc's or something. Hey, but he's wearing a helmet, that's alright. Oh my gosh, that thing's like 50 cc's. Squidder again. Ooh, we got a rider right here. Hey, wearing gear though, wearing gear. Oh, another rider. Oh look, 3 in a row. Look at that, all wearing gear. Oh, we got 2 squidders on one bike. See, they're kind of wearing gear, and the girl is the driver. Wow, that's TLC often enough. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go catch up to that and make fun of it. Oh, sorry. Don't be shaking your head. I was already in this lane. You need to get over. Let's see if he wants to race. What a hideous. Yeah, buddy. Oh geez, I was in third gear. Oh my gosh, what a hideous car. He wasn't even close to being behind me. Is that that's not a ricer. He didn't have a can on it. It was a 2.0 liter though. Sure, blinker or something. Man, I've been watching way too much Snowcat for me. I've been watching too much of those videos. He was gonna just swing all the way over to the right lane. I swear he was gonna do it. Oh, Charlie looking hard. Charlie looking hard. Oh shoot. Oh, that's better. Hey, what's up? A red line runner. It's nice of that lady. Yeah, that lady over there that she gave some food to that homeless guy. Nice lady. Your Mustang is so fast, man. You know what else is fast? Oh my gosh, that biker has one arm. Y'all didn't see that, but I saw it. Just flipped me off. I wasn't trying to tailgate him or anything. He was going like that with his middle finger, as if I didn't see that. I'm telling you, that's those freaking Camry drivers. He is a Camry driver. Oh my gosh. He rolls up his window. Hey, they staring hard, man. They staring real hard. Look at them. He's just looking. They stare so hard all the time. Sorry. That was an accident. Gotta give them a wave back, man. They appreciate that. Oh my gosh, you were going slow and you're eating a cheeseburger.